Hi students, today this is a continuation of the yesterday topic. Yesterday I completed that carbon in nature. It is in page number 58, NCERT textbook chemistry science. So now today we are going to go about page number 59. Page number 59. In this page number, what we are going to see mainly is what are the topic covered is covalent bond and its property. What is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is a bond formed by sharing of electrons. So in this page, in this paragraph, what are the questions they have asked? They will be, what is the chances of asking question? Questions related to properties of covalent bond. Why the covalent bond has less boiling and melting point? See, with what they have compared here, they have compared with the ionic bond. This ionic bond we have studied in the previous lesson in melting, and that is in metals and non-metals. The ionic compound will generally have high melting point. Why they have a high melting point? Because of strong electrostatic force. When there is a strong electrostatic force, they need to have spent more energy to remove electrons. Whereas here the covalent bond has only less boiling and melting point. What it shows? So because of they have the molecules, that is because the force of attraction between the molecules are not very strong. So what is the answer for this? The molecules of attraction are not very strong. Then why do the covalent compound do not conduct electricity? See, we know, see, ionic compounds, it is an ions, but in a covalent compound they form a molecule. So the compounds, what is the main purpose of conducting electricity? Conducting electricity, it should have free ions. In covalent compound, the covalent compound are poor conductor because they contain neither an ion nor a free ions, which is necessary for conduction. Next. So from this, what are the property we have seen in the covalent bond? See, the first term is a MCQ pattern. In the second term, you are going to write in a descriptive pattern. They will be asking 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark. So you should be ready to answer all the things. See, they may ask about what is the properties of covalent bond. What is the properties of covalent bond? It is clear that the covalent bonds consist of molecules, and covalent compounds are usually liquids and gases. And if you take, the covalent compounds are generally having a low melting and boiling point. What is the reason also we have seen now in just now. Then the covalent compound are generally insoluble in water and they are soluble in non-polar solvent. What are the non-polar solvent? Non-polar solvents are generally benzene, CCl4, all these things are non-polar solvent. And the covalent compound do not conduct electricity. Why they do not conduct electricity? Because they do not have what? Free ions. So next one, in this page, what we will see, what is the question asked now? Why carbon cannot gain 4 electrons to become octet? See, this is an atomic number of carbon. This is a mass number of carbon. Carbon has an atomic number of 6. So what is its electronic configuration? 2, 4. So in the first shell, K shell, it can accommodate 2 electrons. In the L shell, it can accommodate 4 electrons. So proton is also 6 and electron is also 6. So in this case, see, what is the question? Why it cannot gain 4 electrons? See, why it cannot gain 4 electrons? See, if it is gaining the 4 electrons, the number of protons is going to remain same. Here also 6, here also 6. But what about electrons? When we add 4 to it, the electron is going to become 10. So it could not gain 4 electrons and forming C4 ions. Why? What is the reason? It is difficult for the nucleus with 6 proton to hold what? To hold extra 4 extra electrons, that is extra 4 electrons, it becomes 10 electrons. So it cannot lose, it cannot gain 4 electrons. Okay, what is the chance, if is there any possibility to lose 4 electrons? We will see that also. See, this is normal carbon. It has 2 electron and it has 4 electron in the outermost shell. When it lose this 4 electron, what will be happening? It has to lose the whole L shell to become what? 2. Yeah, to become duplet configuration. Here also the proton is going to be 6. There is no change in the number of proton, but the electron is going to reduce to 2. So what has happened? This also is not possible because it has to require, we have to spend more energy to remove 4 electrons. So leaving behind 6 proton. This is a case where the carbon cannot gain 4 electron. It can neither gain 4 electron nor it can lose electrons. Hence it forms a covalent bonding. So yesterday I stopped with this, and here if you see, so these are the question what I have discussed. So the melting point, the carbon has less melting point, low covalent compound has low melting and boiling point as compared to ionic. So why? Because it is not, they do not have very strong, they do not have strong force of attraction. Then I have said one question, I have discussed this question also. Why do the electron do not conduct electricity? Because they do not have any free ions. So atomic size of carbon is 6, I have discussed now, and its valence electron is 4. And here, so it cannot gain 4 electron and it cannot lose 4 electron from the outermost shell. So why it cannot form ionic compound? This is what we have seen now in this video. It cannot lose 4 electron, it cannot gain 4 electron. I have given this in the question paper type itself. So till this we have discuss how many questions will be asked. Till this we have seen. So in the next video I will be teaching you the what is the covalent, what are different types of covalent bond. Thank you.